Okay, the famous Arabesque by Debussy. This should be a pleasure to teach. I'll play a little bit for you first, 10-15 seconds, and then I'll give you all the puzzle pieces to do yourself. Here we go. This is where I'll stop. Let's begin. We're going to start with both hands right away because the melody as it begins is kind of woven into both the hands. It doesn't really make sense to separate them. The piece is in 4/4 time, it's in common time, and all of these little figures are triplets. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. A triplet just means there's 3 notes per beat. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. That's why I'm counting in this way. So we begin with a couple ascents and descents. This is what we have. That's our first bar. Let's have a look at the fingering. We have 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. And then the descent starts, or the descent starts on 4. 4, 2, 1. 1, 2, 4. Moving on. Next bar. 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 4. On the way down, it's 5, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. So those are your first 2 bars. Stitch all that together. And if you're going to be counting this, and it's probably important that some of you do, so that you keep a good sense of where the downbeats are. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Next bar, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Cool. Not too shabby. Alrighty. So we just finished here. Now we move into this section. Here, again, the left and right hands don't really interact too much. They kind of trade off. The left hand starts, right hand continues. Here it's together, but then again splits up, apart, until this note where it's together, and then it splits up again, right? So you're constantly trading off between the hands, which makes it very easy to learn. Let's have a look at the left hand first. There are some patterns we can take advantage of. The first is 4, 2, and 1. After that, we have 5, 2, and 1. 2 and 1 remain. Next bar, the pinky falls. D sharp. 2 and 1 remain. And we finish on C sharp at the bottom. 2 remains, 1 comes up to E. So those are your sort of positions. Don't worry about the rhythm for now. That'll become very clear when you put the hands together. Now the right hand. Before I teach you the right hand, one thing that's important is notice where the melody is. So some notes are subordinate to others, right? Our melody is actually this. 3 to 5, back to 3. 3 to 5, rises to the A. Everything else is a kind of a wash of color and harmony to kind of support that simple little theme. So that being said, that means that when you play the other notes, so given that 3 and 5 are the thematic or melodic notes, the ones beneath them can be quieter. Anyway, 3, 1 and 2. 5, keep the 2 down when you enter with the F sharp. Moving on. 3, 1, 2. Hold 1 and 2 down. The reason for these holds is because of the pedal changes. You want to keep some of this color across bar lines. Moving on, it's the same as the first. 3, 1, 2. With a 5 on F sharp. Make sure the 2 is down. And the last one is 5, 1, 2. Let go of everything, but keep the 5 down. Okay, make sure you have that down. And if, again, you can always slow the video down. If you have any questions about it, you can contact me, become a member on the, with our little community, and I'll be happy to help. But slowing down the video tends to solve most problems. Okay, so with all that in mind, putting it together should be a breeze, because what we have is left hand alone, then right hand alone. So left hand notes, and then right hand notes. They come together here, and then the rest is separate. Left hand alone, right hand alone, together, and then everything is separate. It's a kind of string of triplet eighths that just kind of weave between the hands. And so as you're playing this, you should constantly have a pulse of triplets. Bum, 2, 3, bum, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. All that. Let's speed that up a little bit with counting. We get 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Moving on, we have okay, so a lot of left-hand stuff. We finish this, we're holding the pinky down, and then we get 5, 2, 1, 4 across to C sharp, 3, 2, 1. Hand moves across the thumb to 3, 2, 3. Thumb underneath, 1 and 2. Once more, that's this grouping. 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. When you have all those units in mind, stitch them together so that there's no pause in between them. And there's a huge slowdown for this bar. It's a kind of transition that leads into the next bar. Okay. So previous bar is keep the pinky down and then replay the A. Four together with the 1 and 3 together with the 2. Putting all that together in the right tempo. Let's go from here. And then moving on. So floral. I love that section. Okay, so let's talk about the pedaling. From the very beginning, we're going to begin with the pedal down, and then change pedal here. Change, change. It's pretty intuitive. Then change, 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 change. And all of that is under one pedal. So you can see why I'm asking you to hold some of these notes down. See, I just changed the pedal and I can still hear that A because it's still down. All right, so all those holds are fairly important to make sure that you don't lose any of the color that was intended to be, that sort of flood the musical landscape. Okay, so that takes care of, 5 bars, and then we're into this section. And that we will cover on the main site, and that's where we finish all the tutorials. So come and join me, join the crew, join everybody, join the community. It's free, so why not? I'll have the sheet music up, the full tutorial, and of course you'll get access to everything we've done so far. It's hundreds of tutorials of all sorts of pieces, film and otherwise. Okay, that will be that. Let me know what you'd like me to do next. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Maybe I can answer that in a couple words without having to get into too much detail. Subscribe if you think I've earned it, and I'll see you in the next ones. All right, take care.